Hey there, I'm Nick Popovich, PlexTrac Hacker in Residence. Welcome to the PlexTrac ProTips, a video series of quick tips and tricks for maximizing how you use PlexTrac. Brought to you by me and my fellow PlexTrac super users to share cool features and uses that we hope will make your work even more effective and efficient. Have a unique PlexTrac use case or tip of your own? Share in the comments. Now, let's get to our pro tip.
Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at bulk actions. All right, so from the dashboard, we're going to navigate to our clients, pick a client, and from here, this is actually the first area where we can start to see some bulk action functionality. So at the report level, it's going to be a little bit different than the finding level. As you can see, we can select multiples, or we can also choose to select all. Once done, we can choose our action. From here, we can adjust the status, and remember, this is at the report level, so I would be adjusting the status of my reports, assigning reviewers to these reports, adding tags, or deleting. Very nice, but where I really see this functionality coming in handy is actually at the finding level. So let's go ahead and jump into one of these reports. Now that we're at the finding level, we can see our list of bulk actions, and these are actually going to be a little bit different than what we saw at the report level. So from here, I can assign or update a status, add tags, create JIRA tickets, change the reported date because I'm an administrator, or set to publish status. You may or may not know that things can be a draft or published status within PlexTrac when it comes to findings. So as an example, if everything were in draft status, which we can actually make everything draft right now, so let's go ahead and take a look at that. All right, now you can see we've got everything as a draft status, background color change, and certain people when they're logging in, certain profiles would not necessarily be able to see drafts as they're being worked on. Nice little handy feature, but I don't really want to do that, so I'm going to go back and I'm going to publish everything. Other nice functionality from here, all of these are related to a JIRA ticket, or if all of these should have probably inherited a tag that maybe you didn't do or you forgot to do at the time. Let's say you were importing from a scan and you wanted to tag them with the utility, so that source, maybe a date, you could absolutely do that. Here's how that looks. So let's just say this came from a Nessa scan. So we'll go ahead and tag that with that, and then I'm going to put the date on here as well. Although some of this is inherited anyway, it's kind of nice to go ahead and tag certain things like this just for searchability, because we can find tags. We can also do some advanced filtering in our analytics module. All right, guys, that's a real quick and basic on bulk actions. Appreciate you tuning in, and until next time.